Hey there, welcome to our place in Sicily, where we are usually renovating an abandoned palazzo, but this is Vendemmia week, celebrating the harvest of the grapes. It starts with a festival. We're going to show you around the festival. We also got to go out grape picking. Spoiler alert, it was a lot of work. And I think we should get started with this week, and we're going to start at the Vendemmia Festival. So let's go. And we start with some beautiful traditional Sicilian music. There's music going on everywhere. There are treats and nuts and candies and all sorts of delicious goodies. The basket maker, we're going to come back and see him a little more in the daytime on the second day, but beautiful baskets around those demijohn wine bottles, giant ones as well. So much great work. Every restaurant just throws bunches of tables and chairs and tablecloths out into the middle. Everybody is outside. The next day we have a whole day of activities for the kids. We're back at the basket weavers actually out weaving. It feels like every fair I go to, they have that. And then this fun group, I don't know what their name is, but they were fantastic. And I didn't know you could play the stock pot. That is going to be my instrument of choice, I think. And you know it's been a successful day when you get to look up to Mount Etna and you see the beautiful skyline. It's just gorgeous. And even better when you wake up very, very early to go pick grapes, and this is what you're greeted with.
We are up here at the crack of dawn, and we're on our way up the hill to meet a new friend who's going to let us pick some grapes on their farm.
Yeah, it's on our bucket list, and that's what we're going to capture today, some grape picking. So let's go.
All right.
Okay, we did it.
Well, what did we do?
We didn't die in a vineyard.
Good.
That was my goal for
Well done.
today. Oh,
Well done.
dirty. So yeah, we picked for about 4 hours. Were we the fastest people picking? No, I was the fastest 53-year-old woman picking. That's for sure.
And, you're still a beginner.
Yes,
Give yourself
I'm a
some
rookie.
Give yourself some
But that
credit.
was fun.
Yeah.
Next up, olives.